Oh, come on. It's time to put the kids to bed. I know. I'll run upstairs and get them. You know, Mickey, well, yeah, tomorrow's going to be the best play day ever. But I don't even want to go to sleep. Well, Mom said you always have to go to sleep, like, yeah. So it's just with the kids, time to go to bed. Aww. Don't worry, you can jump on the elevator with me. Woohoo! Oh. Yeah. Let's try this again.